And we got a live look across the district. Oh, it looks a little bit cloudy or a little overcast this morning coming in. It's kind of exciting today. We're going to get to see some commanders where the chief is, Topper Shut, and we're going to, take a look at a little bit of maybe some better weather today. Although, Topper, you're warning me that it's some, and I love the term, air you can wear out there.
Yeah, pretty much. Matt, you know how I knew I was at the right tent today? Because it was kind of quiet when I first showed up. This is a left-handed lob wedge. That's Chicks. I'm also left-handed in golf, so I knew right away I was at the right tent. Okay, so let's talk about Debbie, because Debbie's taken more of a westward turn in the last 24 hours, which means it's going to throw more moisture our way as we get into Tuesday, especially Wednesday of next week. So here's the latest. So the storm itself is about 195 miles south-southwest of Tampa. Has gusts to 60, still a tropical storm, but it is forecast to become a hurricane before making landfall. Not a strong hurricane, but a hurricane. It makes landfall in the northeast Gulf of Mexico. And then it turns, and notice it's inland now, okay? It was offshore earlier. Now it's inland, which means that's going to throw more moisture our way. It's still going to be effective, and still going to affect us in terms of rip currents and also tropical storm force winds on the coast. So swimming is going to be kind of dicey this week, if you know folks at the shore. But as far as we're concerned, it's going to throw some moisture our way. Now, we do have a bunch of warnings. Obviously, these have been posted really for a while. Tropical storm warnings. We also have they're in yellow. We also have hurricane warnings as well across, tropical storm warnings across most of the west side of Florida. So that goes all the way up, including Tampa. And you see the green there. That's actually a flood watch right now. Okay, so in terms of the spaghetti plot, each line is a model, and the closer the lines are together, the more confluence or agreement there is. So you see a kind of a divergence here as we get into like that Tuesday. You see a lot of lines to the left through Richmond. We also have a fair amount of lines out to sea. So the track is still somewhat in question when we talk about next Tuesday and next Wednesday. Look at the water temperatures this thing's going to run through. You talk about energy and fuel. Water temperature is 88 degrees on the Gulf Coast on the west side of Florida.